Make friends with maps. Observe the map and answer the following questions. Students, before we start with the question and answers based on this map, let's have a look in the index. In this index, various color codes are given. Each color code indicates the great natural region of the world. Now let's see them one by one first. First color code indicates equatorial region. Next to it is grasslands in the torrid zone, that is savanna. Third one is monsoon region. Fourth one, hot desert region. Fifth one, Mediterranean region. Sixth one, subtropical region with humid climate. Seventh one, continental region with humid climate. Eighth one, temperate grasslands, that is steppes and St. Lawrence. Next to it, continental dry climate region. After that, West European type climate region. Then taiga, tundra. After tundra, mountainous region. And the last one with white color is the ice cap or ice sheet. Students, remember all these color code properly. All the color codes are going to help us out to answer all the questions given below the map. Here is first question. Which natural regions are found in India? Here is India. We can see, students, maximum part of India, it is covered with light green color, which is monsoon region. So we can conclude that monsoon region is the natural region found in India. Which continent comprises a major portion of the hot desert type of region? Students, we can see hot desert region. It is shown by light gray color. Students, we can see over here in the map, continent of Africa comprises a major portion of hot desert type region. Third question, which continent has the highest diversity in terms of natural regions? Students, here we can see various kinds of color codes which are shown in the index are found only in the Asian continent. So we can say that continent of Asia has the highest diversity in terms of natural regions. Fourth question, why are there fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere than those in the northern hemisphere? Student, this line is 0° equator. Above this line, it's a northern hemisphere, and below this line, it's a southern hemisphere. Now you can see in northern hemisphere, the land mass is more, while in southern hemisphere, water mass is more. So we can say that because the land in the southern hemisphere is less and has only two temperature zones, there are fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere than those in the northern hemisphere. Fifth question, which natural region occupies the largest area in the world? Students, you can see in the map, the faint green color has occupied the largest continental area of the world. This color shows taiga region. That means taiga region occupies the largest area in the world. Sixth question, where else do we find conditions similar to the continent of Antarctica? Students, we can see here the continent of Antarctica. It is situated at the South Pole and it is shown in the map with the help of white ice cap. In the same way, the white ice cap, it is shown in Greenland in northern hemisphere. So you can say that Greenland has conditions similar to continent of Antarctica. Question number 7. Throughout which natural regions does the prime meridian pass? Now students, you can see in the map 0° meridian. It is nothing but prime meridian. Now this line, it is passes through hot deserts, Mediterranean type of climate, taiga region, West European type region. This means that the prime meridian passes through hot deserts, Mediterranean type of climate, taiga, and West European type region.